Well, hello, William Williams, Philippine. Hope y'all are doing good. It's a very blessed Sunday here. Had a good day. Got out, got to the market, did a little walking, some shopping. Was over and seeing a little house inside a compound. It's like a mother-in-law's house. Little one attached to the side of a bigger one. One bedroom, unfurnished. 5,000 pesos. Less than $100. Yeah, nice house. I could have been quite happy there, but some lady beat me to it. And I didn't want to get into a fight with her over bidding war on rent. She needed it more than I did. I can still find one at a good price. But yeah. Anyway, I picked up a rice cooker and I'm happy to have that. I'll be sending the hotels back to them and using mine. Yes, I'm doing rice cooking because I eat here. I cook. I like cooking. It's that cleanup afterwards I hate. Anyway, oh, new chair. Yeah. My other one threw me in the floor. Yeah, I was trying to stretch and lean back. The back wheel on the base of it snapped off. I tumbled over, hit the floor, up inside the seat and everything. But yeah, not comfortable. So had to go and get me a new chair. Come to find out that that one's only rated for about 90, 85, 90 kilos. I am way past that. This one is rated for, I think, 140, 135. I got it on a piece of paper somewhere. But that's well over my weight. Ain't gonna worry about it. Uh, Happy to have this thing up and going. And this one actually can do something that one can't do, recline. Of course, now it's not as easy for me to get out of it that way, but it is what it is. And it's even got a footrest that slides out so I can really get laid out. It blew my budget. Yeah, Tino came through and made a mess of everything. Don't get me wrong, I'm up here high and dry, had electric the whole time. What, 2 minutes while the generator kicked on and off and got back on? Yeah, no problem. So, and we always had water because this hotel has a deep well. Unfortunately, some folks don't. Uh, Saw a picture, guy on a video doing some cleanup in an apartment over here in Luan, Luluan, and that's where that flooding was. And yeah, I mean, he's in there digging mud that's dried up and became a layer, and he got down to the floor and it was above his knee. So most of 2 feet. And they don't even have water to hose it out afterwards after they get the mud dug out. They don't even have water to clean it out in some places. So it's been very interesting. And all the people are out trying to find new places to have a home because, well, theirs got washed away or flooded. And yeah, supposed to be a hotel glut uh, in the Philippines for because of overdoing. Yeah, well, around here it kind of holding its own, but that's okay. I really would like to have got that house, but I'm not going to get into a bidding war with a single mom. Would have been a nice one to get though. Sat on the porch and watched a bit of the rain. Checked out a coconut tree. Yeah, I don't know about you, but it was a slap beautiful place. I liked it. Nice breeze up on the side of this hill. It was a blessed day to get to take and see things, do things. Like I said, I got me a rice cooker and a couple glasses. Did a bit of shopping. Anyway, I hope you all have had a blessed weekend, blessed Sunday. Go out and claim it. Always try to make the best choice. It's not easy sometimes, but some days you're giving out the blessings, other days you're getting them. Today was a bit of both of that, and I was quite happy for it. Although I can say I miss my Leatherman tool. Sometimes you just really need to have a Leatherman tool with you. I was still able to get the screw tightened. See, now on the chair, that wasn't a problem. It came with tools. Matter of fact, yeah, Allen wrenches. This other thing didn't. Yeah, fan. Hope somebody. But yes, there's a lot of sad situations over here. Basically, do what you can and try to help folks when you can. The Philippines has a lot of people right now that are in need. Keep us in your prayers always, because it ain't easy over here. Believe me, I'm finding that out. Uh, just the amount of traffic in and out of stores right now is kind of crazy. Think about it. You've got thousands of people's homes that were washed away. Now they're trying to place everything they need for a home. Clothes, pots, pans, silverware, uh, stove, refrigerator. I saw refrigerators on a video floating down the highway on its way to the ocean. I saw cars floating, shipping containers. Yeah, that hurricane messed us up with just walking with because of the rainfall and the floods. Anyway, please keep us in your mind. Pray for us. Yeah, Lord, lift them up. Philippine people are very much trying always to make life better. It ain't easy when you got politicians. Just saying. God told us we weren't going to like judges and kings. He's right. It is what it is, though. So, I hope you've had a blessed Sunday. I hope your weekend has gone good for you. Remember, be thankful that it wasn't worse. Always. Because I can tell you, it can get worse real quick. Remember to be thankful for that blessing that it wasn't worse. Anyway, I'm William, Williams Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. I'm Fish. Fish is out.